I'm the battery. Ignore me, and one day your car simply won't start. I'm the alternator. If I fail, your battery won't charge, and you'll break down.
I'm your battery terminal. Leave me dirty and you'll get weak starts and random electrical issues.
I'm the spark plug. Ignore me and you'll get misfires, poor power, and wasted fuel.
I'm the belt. Ignore these cracks and I could snap at the worst time.
I am the ignition coil. Fail me, and your engine will shake, jerk, and lose power. I'm engine oil. Leave me too long, and your engine will wear itself out.
I'm the air filter. Ignore me and you'll lose power and fuel economy.
I'm the air sensor. When I'm dirty, your engine gets confused and wastes fuel.
I'm the oil filter. Tassier. Clog me up and dirty oil will circulate through your engine.
I'm the radiator cap. Lose my pressure and you'll lose coolant and spike the temperature. I'm the brake pad. Run me too thin and your stopping distance will get scary.
I'm coolant. Ignore my level and your engine will overheat fast. I'm the thermostat hat. Stick me and you'll either overheat or run cold and waste fuel.
I'm the radiator hose. Ignore a small crack and you'll end up with a leak and overheating.
I'm the brake disc and takes potating. Ignore that grinding and you'll ruin me as well.
I'm brake fluid. Get old or low, and your pedal will feel soft and unsafe.
I'm your tire tread. Ignore me, and wet roads will feel like ice. I'm wheel alignment. Ignore me, and your steering will pull, and your tires will wear unevenly.
I'm tire pressure. Run me low and you'll overheat the tire and burn more fuel. I'm the fuel injector. Clog me up and you'll feel jerks, power loss, and worse MPG.
I'm the throttle body. Ignore the dirt and your throttle response will feel sluggish.
I'm the fuel pump. Weaken me and you'll get poor power or a no-start day.
I'm the breather system. Block me and you'll get pressure, leaks, and oil smoke.
I'm the engine mount. Ignore me and you'll feel vibrations and harsh jolts.
I'm a suspension bush. Tear me and you'll hear knocks and lose tight handling.
I'm the steering system. Leak or wear me out and your steering can turn heavy and unsafe.
I am the aircon gas. Run me low and you'll lose cooling and strain the compressor.
I'm power steering fluid. Run me low and you'll get whining noises and stiff turns.
I'm the cabin filter. Ignore me and your car will smell stale and the airflow will drop.
I'm the wiper blade. Ignore me and rain will wipe your visibility away.
I'm the starter. Fail me and you'll hear clicks instead of an engine.
I'm your headlight, and get dim, and your night driving becomes dangerous.
I'm the ground cable. Go loose and you'll get random electrical gremlins.
I'm the oxygen sensor. Ignore me and you'll get a warning light and worse fuel economy.
I'm the oxygen sensor. Ignore me and you'll get a warning light and worse fuel economy.
I am the wheel bearing. Ignore my hum and you'll risk a wobble and failure.
I'm the brake caliper. Stick me and you'll drag brakes, overheat, and ruin pads.
I'm transmission fluid. Ignore me, and your gear shifts will turn rough and expensive. I'm the clutch. Start slipping, and you'll lose pull and smell burning.
I'm the water pump.
Keep going, CS. Leak me, and you'll lose coolant and overheat.
I'm the cooling fan, eh? Ignore me, and your temperature won't come back down.
I'm the timing belt. Ignore me, and I could destroy your engine in seconds.
I'm a fuse. Blow me, and lights, sensor, even your AC can stop instantly.
I'm the ABS sensor. Fail me, and emergency braking loses control.
I'm the brake line. Leak me, and your braking power disappears.
I'm a vacuum line. Leak me, and your idle turns rough and messy.
I'm an exhaust leak. Ignore me, and you'll get noise, fumes, and lost power.
I'm an engine sensor. Ignore me, and you'll get warning lights and weak performance.
I'm the temperature sensor. Ignore my warning, and overheating will catch you off guard.
Look after us on time, or one small issue becomes a chain of problems.
Want me to guess your car's issue? Comment your model and the symptoms. Next episode is even more serious.